Chicken adobo with potatoes is a Tagalog version of adobo, and it has a very little sauce that is almost dry and oily. It is one of the famous dishes in the Philippines. This requires you to stir fry the chicken first before cooking it in soy sauce, vinegar, and aromatics such as onions, garlic, peppers, and bay leaves. It is a hearty and delicious with a garlicky savory sauce. This classic Filipino stew is amazing with steamed rice for lunch, dinner, but also can be served for breakfast as adobo silog. The sugar helps to balance the salty and tangy flavors of the dish with a hint of sweetness. I tell you what, the combination of vinegar and lime is my secret in this recipe. So if you want to try, just have a try because it makes your dish more tastier and delicious. Potatoes are optional, but they are a delicious way to extend this dish. Maybe you are wondering why the chicken parts are suddenly different. Yes, I cooked twice, but it's the same procedure. Adobong manok is the perfect meal you would want on your weeknight rotation. This incredibly tender, flavorful chicken smothered in a boldly flavored, savory sauce is sure to be a winner at the table. This Filipino stew is a delicious medley of savory tastes. You will love it with steamed rice.